Hello! Pang 6th day na namin dito. Maurice. Good morning ka. Good morning. Kagagisar ni Maurice. Tour namin ngayon at ang hair. Hindi pwedeng hindi itaas. Naku, tingnan natin kung paano natin bubulabugin ang Armenia sa hair ni Dambo dito sa Armenia. Let's check mamaya. Let's go! Say bye na. Bye. Bye. Ito na sila, ready for the 6th day ng aming tour. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Nakatulog ba kayo ng maayos? Say ho! Anak ko, mababa yung energy. Ay, tari Barbie ka dyan.
Sila mag-ina.
Hello! Say hi, our tourist guide.
How are you?
Meme! Ito na nga! Aaura na kami for our tour. And then bukas, uuwi na kami ng Dubai. So, susulitin natin to. And this is our driver and tourist guide. Mr.
Gurgen. Gurgen.
Gurgen?
Gurgen, yes.
Gurgen. Gurgen?
Yes, my name is
Mr. Gurgen. Pagising mo, kailangan mong mag-Gurgen. Gurgen pala yun. Sorry. Ayan. Let's go, let's go! Good morning, Armenia! Good morning! And now, again, tell us which place here in Armenia we will go.
now.
Yeah. First,
Now we'll go to the Arca of Charents.
Arca.
Arc Charents.
Art
To
Challenge.
see you the Ararat Mountain. The very
Oh my
big-
God! Ararat Mountain is very popular because Jesus Christ, no?
Yes, yes.
And Ararat Mountain, well,
Next we'll go to the Temple Garni.
Temple Garni.
Yes.
Oh my God, the
Next
temple.
go to the Symphony Stone.
Symphony.
Symphony Stones.
Symphony. Okay.
Next we'll go Gegart Monastery.
Gegar
Yeah,
Monastery.
Gegart Monastery.
Ah,
Next,
Gegar Monastery. And then
and next we'll go to the Sevan Lake.
Seven Lake.
It's the-
Not
it-
6, not 8.
No,
Seven.
Seven Lake.
Okay.
Seven Lake. It's there the #1 the fish in Armenia.
Oh my God.
Salmon, same salmon. Your
Same
fish.
salmon.
It's very good place. And next go to the Sevanabank Monastery, and come back Yerevan. You go to the cascade of Miriam Armenia or no Mother of Armenia. I give you Mother Armenia for free.
Wow!
Very beautiful place.
So guys, if you want to visit Armenia, contact him because he's our tourist guide. And I know he will take care of us. Very nice because our two kabayan from Abu Dhabi recommend him. And now, finally, we contact him and we got him. So let's go. Okay. We are here now in Garni. Anong tawag dito? Anong challenge? Arch of Challenge. Talents? Challenge. Arc of Challenge.
Yeah.
Let's go up there. Let's go. Let's go up. Careful. Careful. Maraming putik. Let's go. Nah, come here. Yun siya, oh. Na! Asan yung Ararat Mountain?
Tatakpa ng ulap.
Ah!
It's our mountain, brother.
But it's quite foggy. So you cannot see it clearly.
Yes! Ararat! Ararat Mountain! Ararat Mountain!
Ready, 1, 2, up.
Ararat Mountain Art of Challenge!
One lang to ha, hindi 0.5.
Guys, we are here in Garni Temple. Garni Temple. So matakot ka na. Temple of China. Meron kaming Garni Temple. We will walk there. Nak, say Garni. Garni. Ayan, let's go. Ganda dito, oh. Yes.
Ay, ito yung sa ano?
Ayun yung temple.
Souvenir. Picture.
Ah, meron yan. Garni Temple. Naka 0.5 yan?
Zeus, statue ni Zeus nilagay dito.
Ay, wow. This is the Garni Temple. Garni Temple. Hello! Welcome to Garni! This one?
One. 500. A little expensive. Granada juice, apricot juice, mulberry juice. Try? Signor. Madam. Small, try.
Mercy. Mercy.
Yeah, very
Kunin mo na sa kanya,
Thank
boss,
you.
oh.
And she thank you, shopping down. Please. 50 days, no problem. 50 days. No egg, no the road. Hello, fresh.
How much is
2,000. Okay. Money na. One shopping down. Okay. Money na. Okay?
I will ask them. Wait.
Appetite.
Sarap? Boss? Sarap?
Sarap. We're here in Symphony Stones. Here in Armenia. Guys, kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. Gutom na ba kayo? Itong itlog ko, kainin nyo. Medyo mabaho dito, ah. Parang iba na naman tingin mo sa mga bato, ah. Kaya gusto mo dito, parang iba na naman yung mga bato, ah. Go na. Durugin mo na yan. Yes! We are here in the Rock Mountain. Welcome to Fujairah. Ay, iba pala yun.
I see something. I see something in the green. Ma! I just see something like a green.
Ganda dito, oh. Mga stones. Wow! Nak, look, oh. Ay! So beautiful.
Ang lamig! Ang lamig!
Ito yung mga rocks ko, so ang ganda, oh.
Ate.
Mga rocks.
Ano lang?
Yun, tumatakbo na yun, oh. Let's go! Oh my God!
Grabe, oh. Katakot. Lamig! Ang lamig. Diyos ko. Hi na, act so cold.
Bahay ng Mario.
Bye na Mario. Ala, baka lumabas may Mario
Baka nga si
dyan.
King Kong dito nakatira.
Ala, baka lumabas.
Oh, malamig siya. Let's wish. Let's make a wish. $500. 500? 500. Oh, kaya lang tayo mamaya. Later. We will walk here.
Hi na.
Hi. I'll pick mine. Ah!
Sakay na kami. Sakay kami dyan sa Garn Express. Yan. Let's go, let's go. Oh. Yeah. Kaya na, kumain na tayo. Wala na tayong energy. Yes! We'll go up! Say ho! Oh! Wala mga energy. Kain muna. Pakita kami. Pakita mo yung mga under James. Yan. Ang piano dito, 500 drums. Guys, nakakain na sila. Tingnan natin kung mataas yung energy. Check natin, ha. Guys! Say ho! Ay, taas ang energy! Nakakain na kasi sila. One more time, say ho! Galing! Now we will buy strawberry. Mercy! Hello!
I cannot come back.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
It's my yeah.
More. Pwede na lang.
Ang lakas. Ay! Uy!
Sayang.
Nalabas. Kulang. Ay! Uy, na po!
Oh! It's okay, yes.
Okay na daw yun.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Wow. 2013. Oh, salita. Hello? Now we go there.
It's a church.
It's now not cave. We're there, the cave. The church.
Cave?
That come in the water. There are people that drinking water.
Wow, dirty water. Ay, wow. Fresh water from holy water. The Father, holy water. Sa heart, boss.
Yes.
And to our family.
guys, ito yung pinaka-importante or kakaibang tubig na nahawakan namin sa buong buhay namin dahil ito ay galing sa Armenia na kung saan dito dumaan si Jesus Christ. So sobrang blessed nitong water na to, sobrang blessed. Sa gilid. Parang ano? Here on land, Father, here on land. Hello family! Ano? Kaya niyo ba? Nandito na tayo sa Seven Lake. And we're going to eat. We will eat here. Ayan na. Hello, Kiss Daddy. We will eat here in Seven Lake. Yes. Seven Lake. It's too cold. Yan. Kain na tayo.
Sumigot, lumabas ulit, no?
Sir food.
Daddy,
Nakabilit
I
na.
answer.
Oo. Ayan na.
Let's eat na,
Let's
kuya.
eat.
This your pork, coming French fries.
Pray mo na
This
nila.
fish, l'excellent.
Yes.
Good. Moment, sorry.
Oh, eat the family.
This salad, this white fish, sig. This trout, same salmon.
Yes.
This shrimps and crayfish kebab. Give me your picture. There.
Thank you.
Give me. Come sit down.
Yes! Okay na.
Eat na, kuya.
Kain. Kain family. Hello guys! Susulitin namin ang aming ilang minuto na lang po at bukas ay kami ay pa-flight na papuntang Dubai. Oo, ngayon naghahanap na naman kami ng makakainan. So, kakatapos na namin mag-tour mga beshi. Maraming salamat sa ating tourist guide. Sino yun? Sir Garden. Ayan, sobrang bait. At sana sunduin talaga kami. Dahil sabi niya susunduin daw kami sa sa bahay papuntang airport for free. Ayan. So guys, dito kami ngayon sa North Avenue. North Avenue. Lakad-lakad lang kami. And mamaya uuwi kami for our mga bagahe kailangan na namin ayusin. Maraming salamat po dito sa Armenia for this wonderful experience. Uy, mag-hi naman kayo. Magpasalamat naman kayo sa Armenia.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yan. Bye everyone.